to break 481 for the 2012 Panini Signature Series Baseball box. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. The current date and time according to eBay is Wednesday, February 20th, 2019. It's 10:47 p.m. Eastern Time. It's 9:47 p.m. Central Time and 7:47 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Jeepster with 3 spots, Dihad with 3, Stosh with 1, P2J with 7, Big with 2, Martham with 4, Whitlock with 6, Gava 2, Bolts 1, and Anthony with 1 spot. We will randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Good luck with Jeepster on top and Anthony on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 puts Whitlock on top and the Hot on the bottom. And we'll see who has what team or teams. Whitlock, you have the Diamondbacks. PJ, you have the Braves. Gava, you have the Orioles. Martham, Red Sox. Whitlock, Cubs. PJ, White Sox. Jeepster, Reds. Whitlock with the Indians. Martham, Rockies. Big with the Tigers. Dahad, Astros. PJ, Royals. Angels. Dahad, Dodgers. PJ, Marlins. Martham with the Brewers. PJ, Twins. Whitlock with the Mets, Bolts with the Yankees, PJ Athletics, Big with the Phillies, Whitlock Pirates, Gava Padres, Martham Giants, Jeepster with the Mariners, Cardinals, Anthony Rays, Stosh with the Rangers, Whitlock Blue Jays, and last but not least, Dahad with the Washington Nationals. Excuse me. Okay. Here we are, all sealed up. If we pull Los Angeles, Chicago, or New York, we will look them up, who they're playing for in 2012, going on 13. These cards just have the city on them, so those 3 cities have multiple teams. Again, every card will ship. Start the base with Ubaldo Jimenez for the Cleveland Indians. Nick, 484 will be right after this break. We're going just in order. So 481, then 484, then 488, and anything else that might sell out tonight. So here's an example. Brett Gardner, New York. Should go to the Yankees, but we'll look him up. And then we have the Starlin Castro, Chicago. One of those three cities I mentioned. This is the Panini proof. So this will be numbered out of 5. Very nice for Chicago. And we know where that's going to go, but we'll look them up. So 4 out of 5 for Starlin Castro. Very nice. Okay. Then for Houston, we have a rated rookie auto, Matt Dominguez. This will be out of 299. This is 183. Or 83, not 183. Then we have for the Seattle Mariners, rated rookie auto of Lucas Ludy. And this will also be out of 299. This is 217. Luge. Butcher his last name each time. Alright, that's going to go to Seattle. And then last but not least, we have a redemption. It's upside down. Okay. Tyler Pastrnicki, 2012 rated rookie game ball. So it's an autographed baseball. So we'll look that up. Alright, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. Starting with Cleveland. So the Cleveland Indians. Cleveland Indians is going to Whitlock. Congratulations. Alright, these next couple will blow. We'll look up. First we have Chicago, Brett Gardner. So that the Mets are the Yankees. So Mets are the Yankees. So he's played all 11 years with the Yankees. That makes it easy. Yankees is going to Bolt Softball 51. Congrats. Alright, then we have the Starlin Castro Panini Proof out of 5. So 4 out of 5 for Starlin Castro Chicago. Starlin Castro. So who's playing for the Cubs? So the Chicago Cubs is going to Whitlock. Congratulations on your Castro. Let's get our rated rookies. This will be for Houston. Houston is Dahad 47. Congratulations. And for the Seattle Mariners, that was Lucas. The Seattle Mariners is going to Jeepster 4254. Congrats, Jeepster. Then we have the Tyler Pastrnicki. It does say expired, but don't worry, just scratch that off and redeem it. Panini will take care of you. Pastrnicki. It's going to go to Atlanta. So the Atlanta Braves is going to P.J. 49, 1969. And that will wrap up break 481 for the 2012 Panini Signature Series Baseball. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Stick around for the bonus break spot and hope to see you guys soon. Thanks.